In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile accounts in Zoho Books. Reconciliation is an essential part of accounting, ensuring that your financial records match your bank statements. This process helps catch discrepancies, whether due to errors or unauthorized transactions. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First, head over to your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Banking. Click on it. This section acts like a hub for all your financial accounts. It's where you'll manage your reconciliations, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this area. Next, choose an active account you wish to reconcile. Make sure you've selected the correct account, as each account will have its own set of transactions and corresponding bank statements. This step is crucial for ensuring the accuracy of the reconciliation process. After selecting your account, your next step is to click on the gear icon. This icon signifies your settings and options. From here, you'll be selecting Reconcile Account, a feature Zoho offers to help make the reconciliation process smoother and more efficient. Once you've clicked Reconcile Account, you'll then want to click on Reconcile Now. This action essentially tells Zoho Books that you're ready to begin the reconciliation process for the chosen account. Now you're going to type in the closing balance. This number should reflect the ending balance from your most recent bank statement. Inputting the correct number here is vital because it serves as the anchor for your entire reconciliation effort. After inputting the closing balance, click Start Reconciliation. You've now embarked on the core part of the process, matching your recorded transactions with those reported by your bank. You'll then choose a transaction to reconcile. This means comparing each transaction in Zoho Books against your bank statement to confirm they match. Look for any discrepancies and investigate them as needed. Once you find a transaction that needs reconciling, click on the corresponding checkbox. This action will mark the transaction and allow Zoho Books to consider it during the reconciliation process. Finally, click Reconcile. This button confirms you've matched the selected transactions with your statement, finalizing that part of your account reconciliation. There you have it. You've successfully reconciled your account in Zoho Books. Ensuring that your recorded transactions align with your bank statements is an indispensable part of financial health for any business. Regular reconciliation helps in catching errors early and maintaining accurate financial records. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy reconciling!